Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. I know you can't see my face really well, but I'm a share. Yeah. But it is a beautiful, windy day. It's cool out here. I don't know the temperature, but it's a feel-good type of day, y'all. It's a feel-good type of day. So I've been working in my garden all morning. I need a little more energy. Yeah. So I'm just taking a break, getting this orange down. But today, guys, I want to share with you. I received some mail. Turf Therapy sent me some mail. Yeah, I'm gonna take care of it today. Also, I'm cleaning up a little bit and I'm gonna drop some seeds. Also, I'm gonna share with you all my lunch. I'm gonna share my lunch with you all. It's amazing. It's amazing, y'all. So we're gonna see how it's gonna turn out, right? But first, if you are not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button. I will be sharing my Zone 9 garden. Yay! 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 Yeah! Thursday morning. Look at that, y'all. Thursday morning. And hers. But look at her. Jamaican Sorrow over here. She done bloomed. Yeah, she bloomed. With the angel trumpet. With the angel trumpet. More. Oh no. Oh no. So she had a big one on her. Oh, well, that's her seeds. But that's a flower bud. It fell off. Oh, wow. Okay. All right. Yeah, she's making seeds over here. Make them seeds. And there's more over here, too. But beautiful. The angel trumpet and Jamaican sorrow flower. Cute. Right, y'all. Boom. Turf therapy. Turf therapy. Yeah, so Turf sent me some seeds, y'all. Broccoli purple peacock. I'm gonna drop these seeds today. And I dropped some of these. I'm gonna drop some of turfs. Yeah. I'm gonna drop this one first here. I want the wind to blow it away now. Boom. And I'm going to drop this one right here. Right there. Now this Surdaki, that is a tomato, so we're going to hold on to that one. But we definitely going to drop this peacock today. Yeah. Let's drop her now. All right, family. So this is one of two little beds that I built back in spring of 20. Yeah, I think it was spring of 20. But so I'm just cleaning this little bed. Thank you, Danny's Corner. It's my little hand tiller, man. She just roll with it. So what it does really is go in there and just tear up those weeds, and I could just, get them on up really fast. So this was really good and really fast. Well, not as fast as you looking at it, but it was pretty fast. Yeah. So I also amended the soil. I gave it some, bone and blood, and I did put some Epsom salt in there also. I did. Yeah. It was looking at me and I'm like, all right, then you must be the one. But I was having such a wonderful day. Absolutely. It was beautiful out there and I enjoyed every minute of it out there. It was really cool. I dropped many varieties of Brassicas. Yes, y'all. Yes. And I'm looking forward to them just growing great over here. These two beds that I built, they are in full sun, and ooh, yeah, last year I had lacinato kale over here and all types of mustard greens, so yeah, I know it's gonna do well. All right, family, it's lunchtime, and today I'm gonna have some salmon. So this is just one way I prepare salmon. I don't cook it like this always, but every now and then, this is what I want to do. And I have a friend here with me today, and so he wants some salmon too. So I said, well, great. Oh, also, I'm gonna add some of my shrimp to it. So right now I'm going to just saute my vegetables. So this is yellow, red, and orange bell peppers. I also have garlic and onions in here. I wanted to go out and get some green onions out of my garden. And you know what? I want to do it. I'm going to get it. All right, guys. So I went out to the garden and I picked 3 of my green onion chives. Just 3 of them. I also picked up some lemon thyme, and I did grab some parsley. Yeah. So, all right, that's good enough. I'll save that piece for the other part. All right. All right, guys, there we go. So I haven't put any powdered seasoning in here at all. So it's just what it is. And it smells amazing, y'all. Amazing. So I'm just let these get a little translucent. But right now I'm going to add my tomatoes. Add them to the bottom of it. I eat that part. So here's my tomatoes in here. Yeah. That looks so good, huh? Oh yeah. This is wonderful, wonderful. So, I have my salmon, and I'm going to season my salmon and my shrimp in 1 second, all right? Because I really don't want my tomatoes to be too mushy. I want these vegetables to be a little al dente, just a little bit. Alright guys, so I have my salmon here, and I have her all seasoned up. That's the way she looks. And I like my salmon with the skin on. I'll take it off later. Now, some people do skin down first, but you know, for me, it don't matter. Both of them gonna get it. Both sides gonna get it. Both sides gonna get this thing. Alright guys, I've flipped her over. I cut some of her tail off. I don't like nothing hanging. We'll use that part for another time. So now, alright guys, so I put some sauce in here. Well, I made some sauce. And I put some brown sugar and all my seasoning, you know, onion powder, garlic powder. I put some Chef Paul in here. And now I'm going to add all my vegetables back into the mixer thing. Oh, I added my shrimps. My shrimps is in here. And now I'm just going to let this simmer on medium. Yeah. And that's what I'm going to do. So with this, I could have some pasta with it or potatoes, but I got rice cooked, so rice it is. So check this out, y'all. There go my shrimps. And oh my God, it looks so good. And I did put my lemon powder in it. And of course I had to taste that thing. And it's so delicious, just delicious. Yeah. So this is my lunch for today. It's all done and ready. And I've been eating some. Well, my friend had his plate, so I've been tasting his. Yeah. But listen, I always try to make it a point to treat myself good. Yeah. So, oh yeah, I put brown sugar on my salmon too. Yeah, I always try to make it a point to treat myself good, and especially lunchtime. That's my time. So this is garlic and shrimp. The lemon powder. Oh, it's so good. So I like to try and saute my vegetables first, because I don't like all that like burnt from the granulated seasoning. So I try to do that first, you know what I'm saying? The brown sugar tastes so good, y'all. So good. But then, you know, brown sugar tastes good. That's just some water, y'all. And rice. Rice. Long grain. Parboiled. Rice. All right, y'all. Let me get up out of here. But I love you all. Thank you all for hanging out with me today. All right. Later, y'all.